Guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. So I have my hair already prepped in 4/4, so you already know what time it is. I'm about to get popping with some braids. And guys, this is the hair that I'm using. This is actually some crochet hair that I installed, the kinky curly human crochet hair that was installed, and I removed them, washed them, and I decided to use them to make some twists. All right, so this is how it is. The hair does have the thread connection in the middle. Like so, like such. And yeah, we're gonna attempt to do some twists with these. I think they should be pretty, so let's get it. Let's go. So I'm gonna start over on the right side and make my parts. I'm not gonna make them too small, and I'm not gonna make them large either. Somewhere in between, like a medium size maybe. So I'm gonna start off by adding some jam to the section. And I'm actually starting off the braid as if I'm doing a knotless. So I'm gonna be braiding my own hair. All right, so now that I've braided maybe about 6 or 7 revolutions, I am going to take the crochet hair and add it and start twisting. And the hair is from 𝐂𝐿. It's their Afro Kinky Curly Human Hair Crochet with the micro ring loop. And I'm making sure to twist very firmly at the roots so that the hair is nice and secure. And as I go further down, I can actually, do a more relaxed twist. Add in some gel just to make sure that the hair is nice and smooth. And I'm not twisting to the end. I'm actually just twirling the hair at the end to give it a nice natural finish. So look how long. Ooh-wee, love it already. So I didn't expect that the twist was going to be this long, guys, because the hair, before I even washed it, it was looking way shorter. But I guess by washing it, it did, elongate the curls a little bit. And by twisting it, it further, stretched it some more. I'm excited, so let's continue. I will come back when I am somewhere else in the process. Okay guys, so I am a few rows in the front, and I love the fact that I'm going to be able to do so many versatile styles with this look. So guys, I'm now over this side, just making my parting, and I did use a little bit of pomade on my scalp just to make the parts a little bit cleaner. A little more details about the hair. Again, the hair is from 𝐂𝐿, and it is one of their 100% human hair crochet. Yes, it is their Afro Kinky Curly crochet hair. And I did go ahead and use 4.5 packs for this look. As you guys saw, I was using 2 pieces of crochet hair for each twist. And so that is what is necessary to get that volume or that size twist that I was going for. Of course, you can use 1 if you want a smaller twist, or absolutely use 3 or even more if you wanted your twists to be larger. All right, but this is what I did. And the hair from 𝐂𝐿 actually has 0 shedding. I love that. It is soft, and look how natural the ends of the hair looks. I love the fact that I was able to get a 2-for-1 style for this hair. So I'm actually on the third row in the back, already completed the front. Guys, this is the first time I'm ever doing my hair in this fashion, in this way, where I do the front before the back. So it's a little bit different, but it's working. Okay guys, so just a final demonstration for you guys. So I start by braiding my own natural hair, maybe for a 3/4 inch to an inch, yes. And once I actually braid it to that point, that is when I will separate my 3 legs into 2 legs so that I can start to transition into a twist. I take the 2 pieces of crochet braiding here and I just start to twist them in. But I'm being careful to pay attention to make sure that the twist initially is tight enough because you do not want them to loosen or to slip off. So that's what I am doing, and I'm adding a little bit of product so that my hair blends seamlessly and perfectly with the texture of this hair. And I just twist it until I almost to the end, not all the way, and then I twirl the end so it looks very natural. So I'm going to be finishing up this process off camera for you guys, and I will be back with the finished look. And guys, this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. I would describe these as being spring twist or even passion twist or maybe even Afro Kinky twist. Different people would call it a different name, but of course it is absolutely full, especially in the back. I loved that for me. Love the ombre color. The color combination is fire, and of course it's versatile. So of course, you know, I was playing around to see if I can get my usual styles. This is so natural looking at the ends, yes. And of course, I'm going to be playing around with the hair just a little bit just to see what styles I can, you know, come up with. Of course, I do love me a high bun. So I went ahead and created a high bun, leaving some hair in the front so that I could, you know, be a little bit creative with that portion. But for the first look, it's just simple, just a cascading set of twists, just framing the face. So that's one option. Yeah, you can't go wrong with that. Nice, right? Clean, cute. And of course, we are going to go ahead and just do a wrap and pin. And that is just a more polished look, you know, something, you know, more formal maybe. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong, but whatever it is, I think it is absolutely cute, right? And of course, a third option would be if you do not want the hair to be on your forehead at all, you can create a knot and just pin that hair and tuck it underneath the bun. And it still gives you a very simple yet high fashion look all at the same time. So all you need is a couple bobby pins and you are ahead of the game. So again, shout out to 𝐂𝐿. It's all about the 100% human hair, Afro Kinky crochet hair that I actually, you know, repurposed for these twists. And of course, even though these looks are cute, the honest truth is I feel like I may be wearing it down for the most part. So I did do it so I was able to create a middle part. The hair is so lightweight, the length is perfect, and I feel like it is just so easy to wear that most times I will wear it down. And of course, a side part is always also a good option, so I can flip it that way also. But yeah, guys, thank you so much again for watching this video. Shout out to 𝐂𝐿 for this hair, and it is really beautiful. I will definitely be talking to you guys on my next one, so stay tuned. Much love and bye.